Don't you just hate it when stuff breaks? I know I do. It has a way of messing up your whole day.
And in a manufacturing setting, if you're producing parts that are breaking on a regular basis, it'll mess up more than just your day. It will cost you excessive man hours, frustration, lots of dollars, and if the blame comes back to you, it may even cost you your job.
Alright, in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to solve broken parts problems, I'm also going to show you how to avoid some of the pitfalls of problem solving so you can get to the root cause of your problem fast. Like all of my videos, I want to keep this very short and easy so you can solve all your problems as quickly and efficiently as possible.
So here's how to solve a broken parts problem in 5 steps. Step number 1, collect 10 parts, 5 good and 5 bad, and then compare them.
The 5 good parts, they need to be in the assembly for a long time, or they're old parts that have never failed. Something to determine that these parts have lasted a long time in the field. Or if you don't have any of those, just get 5 brand new parts that have not been broken.
Stop. I'm gonna stop you right here. This is where most engineers go wrong. They only look at the broken parts and then they ask themselves, how do I re-engineer this so these parts never break again? If 1% of all the parts are breaking and 99% are not breaking, why would you re-engineer all the parts when only 1% is breaking? When you re-engineer the parts, all the parts change, not just the 1% that are bad, but even the 99% that are good. All of those parts change.
That is definitely a slow way to solve problems. If you think you are a solution hunter, then you should check out my video on solution hunters should die. Okay, actually no, they shouldn't die, but there's a lot better way. In short, solution hunters are just fixers, and they're not going to look for the root cause, they're going to look for a fix.
Step number 2, ask the right questions. Why? If you need more insight on asking the right questions, I have a whole video devoted to asking the 5 whys. Check it out.
So, for example, why do we have this scrap? Because the operator didn't follow work instructions. Why didn't the operator follow work instructions? Because he wasn't trained properly. Why wasn't he trained properly? Because we don't have somebody training. Why don't we have somebody training? Maybe the company doesn't have enough money to pay that trainer. So the next question is, why don't we just have somebody in safety do the training? Or you get the idea. If you need more info on asking the right questions, check out my video on everything you need to know about asking the 5 whys. Click the link below.
Number 3, check the specification of the parts. Make sure they're not too big, too small, too fat, or too tall.
Point number 4, check the process. Make sure the process is being followed properly. Remember, you want your employees following a process just like a programmed robot.
Anybody like to break stuff? You are going to love number 5. Try to reproduce the event of breaking that part. If you think you have the root cause, try to confirm it. You make 3 parts the good way, 3 parts the bad way, and run them all through the process. If the 3 parts that you made the bad way fail, and the 3 parts you made the good way do not fail, then you most likely have the root cause.
Again, if you are stuck with a breaking part problem and you need help getting it under control fast, give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to work with you and make a custom plan of action specific to your problem. Subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and have a great day. I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment below on how you've solved a broken part problem.